TV. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Karan, and today I am going to be testing out a new skincare product. So that new skincare product is COSRX or COSRX. I got the All About Snail Kit. This is what it looks like. I purchased it from Ulta. It says that it's good for dry skin and dark spots. So it comes with a gel cleanser, a power essence, Mucin Power Essence, Peptide Eye Cream, and an all-in-one cream. All right, now that my face is wet, I'm gonna go in with the cleanser. It smells like soap. Doesn't have that, like, it's not fragranced. I'm gonna say a little goes a long way because I feel like this is a lot. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse. I look funny. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off. All right, so this is my face after rinsing off the gel cleanser. Surprisingly, it's not like super dry because some cleansers really dry out my face where it's like instantly ashy. So my face doesn't feel stiff, doesn't feel irritated. It actually feels really soft after rinsing off the cleanser. Yeah, and it's not burning or anything like that. All right, the next thing it said is the essence. All right, step 2, apply a proper amount evenly, avoiding the eye area. So what's a proper amount? What does the top look like? Okay, so that's what the top looks like. Is this something you put in your hand or do you put it on a cotton pad and then, oh no, this is a big hole. Alright, let's see if I pour it. Is that like a gel consistency? Oh, it's a gel. Okay. That might be way too much. See, this is why I get stuff in small containers because I try not to waste stuff. Okay. This is nowhere near even, but we're just gonna make it work. It did say to avoid the eye area, didn't it? Well, too late now. Okay, so rub is on like a serum. So why didn't they put it in a drop of water? Huh. Okay. All right, next step is eye cream, which is this. And all of them come with a safety, well, actually I don't know if the next one does, but probably. All of them come with a safety seal thing. I'm glad the tabs on these are big because other brands, their tabs be mad small and then like I can't get it off and then I have to use a knife. Proper amount around the eye area. All right, so I'm just gonna put a little finger. I think that should be enough. All right, maybe that was too much. Now it's gonna take a while to rub out. Okay, trying to pat it in, it's like sticky. Not sticky, like tacky. So I think it's just better to just rub it. Hopefully this helps with my dark circles because I'm looking real tired these days. All right, my eyes don't feel irritated and they're not burning, so I guess that's a good thing. All right, and the last thing is the all-in-one cream. It says to apply a proper amount evenly, avoiding the eye area. This is proper amount. I don't know what the proper amount is. All I know is to not be wasteful. All right, so let's see. Looks like that's about a dime size, right? Maybe, possibly. Possible. It's really easy to put on. It doesn't even feel like cream. It feels like I'm putting on another serum. Face looking mad hydrated. Okay. All right, so this is it. That's all 4 items. My face feels great. It feels nice and moisturized. It feels a little tight, a little bit, but not like in a bad way. like maybe the elasticity is like, you know, soaking up the moisture, I don't know. But anyways, my face feels really hydrated. It feels good. It doesn't feel irritated. It doesn't feel itchy or anything like that. So far I like it, and I'm gonna continue using it for the rest of the week and see how I like and see if I will end up buying the bigger bottles for this brand. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is my honest review and demo of using the COSRX or COSRX brand, using their 4-step skin repairing kit. But I would recommend to always, like, if you are trying different skincare and you're not 100% sure, like your skin type or how your skin will react to it, always do a patch test first. Like for me, I have sensitive skin, but then I'm also acne prone, so I always try to read as much information about the products before I actually purchase them to try. But because this one is like hyperallergenic and it's because this one is hyperallergenic and it says that it's supposed to help for dark spots, I want to give it a try. So if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can leave them down in the comment section below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.